How to become a seller on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. To start your journey as a seller on Temu, let's walk you through the steps together. Begin by launching your preferred web browser and simply type in www.quazing.pinduoduo.com in the top search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the page something like this. Then from the top right, switch the language to English. And after you do that, simply enter the correct form of your phone number in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. Also make sure that you have selected your correct country code. And if you don't have an account yet and you would like to register, click on the Don't Have an Account Yet, Register Now link in order to successfully register a new account. After entering your mobile number and the password in the first and the second field, click on the Login button in order to successfully log into your account. Alternatively, you can also simply scan the QR code for the account login. For the login process, you have to enter your mobile number and then set a password in the second field. Enter the received verification code in the designated area to complete the registration process as a verified Temu seller. So we hope this detailed walkthrough has shed light on the registration process for you. Feel free to show your support, liking our content and subscribing to stay updated for more informative video like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.